Alright guys, so I have a ton of footage from Hogwaller Labor Day weekend. I've gone through and edited everything after my first cut. I have like 40 minutes of footage I have to try to get edited into videos. So this video is just going to be the best mudding, like the OG mud puppy stuff, super nasty mud, actually working the bike, thick black mud, clay, that kind of stuff. I've got another video which is a bunch of random fails and people flipping over and water riding and stuff. And then I've got another video with a bunch of other stuff in it. So stand by for a lot of Hogwaller stuff. Excellent riding. I did find some good mud. I kept asking everyone I ran into, hey, where's the good mud? Because the main trails at Hogwaller are just all, they're basically highways made for, big showboat side-by-sides. So we got into the trees and we found the good stuff. And I hope you guys like the footage. Not bad. You pop that axle. Look at that just sticking to his tire. This was the worst hole we found all day. Obviously, all three of us got stuck here. The Polaris busted an axle. Those Outlaw 2s just bite super hard, and that thing's got crazy power. So that's what happens. But mad props to Braxton for actually having a big side-by-side and hitting bad holes with it. So he's on 42s, 6-inch 45% dual idlers, I think. And yeah, he made it about as far as my Can-Am did. But it's full of sticks. He's winching out here and the tires grabbing onto roots and stuff. It's pretty hardcore. Oh, yeah. I think this unit actually has Visco lock in the front too, so maybe it'd have gone a little farther if it had smart lock. Nice. Dang it. There goes the seat. I did this trail years ago. I know this trail.
It's always been that.
Yeah. Holy crap!
That's over the floorboard. Drove through that.
I'm about stuck now though, I think. This is a trail called China Bowl. Super nasty bottomless ruts. The Trachy Aztecs definitely outperformed Assassinators here. They're both 32s, but the Assassinators are just so skinny and aggressive, they just dug a hole, whereas the Aztecs kept paddling and I was able to push them on through.
Hold this for a second, I'm gonna hit it again. I think I can make it through.
Come on! You're getting it.
Stuck on a full angle.
As soon as it grabs this bank, it'll straighten up. There you go.
Mudworth, the wrong guy.
You know it. Braxton will get you.
You got it! Just creep it! Creep it!
I need Aztecs.
Went back to China Bowl later that night to see how Logan's DCT Rubicon would do on 4-inch portals and 33s. My Can-Am just went through here, didn't get it on video because the GoPro's dead, but It went through here pretty easy and didn't even have portals. I'm just saying, those Aztec tires are something else. Hey, bud! I'll get it stuck. You see that? It sucked my koozie into the snorkel. It almost shut it off. Mechanical advantage. Whoa. If you recognize anyone in the video, please send them the link so they can have footage of their machine out at Hogwaller, and of course the full length video is on the Patreon page.